Guys, I've had the Jugbow training collar for a while now, and it's been such an excellent way to keep my dog in check and help train him. This is him right now, and sometimes he goes onto my bed and a firm no does not get him to get off of it. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. So when there are times he does not listen, this comes very much in handy. So I'm going to show you guys how to use the remote. So there's actually a lock mode on here. So this is perfect if you're going on a walk and don't want to accidentally press a button. You can just lock it easily. So you just switch it to the top, switch it down when you want to unlock it. So I love using the lock mode during walks so I don't press on anything. So we have the vibration button here. We have the beeping button here. I tend to use these buttons more often than these shock buttons right here. So this is the booster shock, this is a light shock, and this has just been an excellent way to really just, remind him to behave and just, making sure he is cooperating with me. Alright, as you guys can see, I have the Jugbow training collar on him now. So let's go ahead and tell him to get off the bed. Odin, off. Get off the bed. As you guys can see, he is not listening. Let's see how he does when I give him a little vibration. Off. Get off. As you guys can see, he listened. So this has been such an excellent way to just remind him, kind of who's boss and really just get them to listen and cooperate. Highly recommend. A beeping button here, which is also a good indicator to them. Good signal cue to them to, also listen effectively.